big one.
He's a big guy.
You want a picture with him? I know you know what you're doing.
You got a video of it, Ariana?
I got a full 3
Look at him. He's big. Alright.
This is what a snapping turtle would do to your arm.
Do it more. Closer. Mess with him.
Why are you?
He's tired. I don't want to antagonize him.
Definitely tired.
Yeah. Oh, he's heading that way. He's sliding in.
Here he comes.
He's sliding
Get out
in.
Quick. He's coming at you.
I guess we're going to have to put you back in the pail, buddy.
Yeah. Get him back in. We'll like walk him around the trail a little bit and drop him in.